Hi guys, so today we are unboxing Honeywell AirTouch V1. As you all know, now this is I think the major part of our lives recently, since we are living in Delhi NCR, and as you all know that the AQI has crossed his limits, and these days a little bit of congestion during the night, and even during the day, even you can feel that my voice is heavy as of now and all. So here on I am unboxing this. Okay, so this is out from the box, and few of the features of this Honeywell Purifier AirTouch V1. So the main was that it uses HEPA filter and it can control 0.3 microns of particles within the air. So I am unboxing it today. As of now, I would be showing it to you. Also, I would be reviewing it after using it. Purchased from Amazon. We were having a good deals and offers, so you guys can also go to Amazon website to look for this. So this is, it's like very compact. Okay. So thank you guys for watching today. I will be reviewing it post using it. So let's take some time to review it, and surely I'll get back to you with honest opinion.